Sattva Pure products are made from natural ingredients, just the right ones, from real original roots. Like the coconut that deeply nourishes, like the neem that gently purifies, holy tulsi that restores balance, from charcoal that clears away impurities, rose that softens and soothes, turmeric that enhances natural glow, seaweed that replenishes hydration, from gold that enhances radiance, like silver that supports skin balance. Powerful ingredients working beneath the surface. Every ingredient chosen with purpose. To hydrate deeply. To repair and strengthen. To restore healthy skin. No unnecessary additions. No compromise on purity. Only what the skin truly needs. Made for your daily ritual. Simple, pure. Explore Sattva Pure collection today at sattvapureway.com.